Off to Trivandrum, South Kerala.
दूसरों की सहायता करने से पहले अपने रकम सही तरीके से ध्यान दें। इस प्रमाण में 8 आपातकालीन वाहन, 2 सामने, 2 पीछे और
Good morning. It's 7 a.m. This is our view. Not bad, no? We came here a bit late last night. We checked in around 9, so we couldn't see anything. Sun is rising. We are in Kovalam beach in Trivandrum, South India, Kerala. We'll spend a long weekend here. Dinner on the beach, very nice, with an amazing sunset. Kovalam lighthouse there. I'll try to reach it by running. Let's see. And this is Kovalam beach, where all the life is supposed to be here with all the restaurants. Maybe today we spend the day here at the beach. Looks nice. And maybe eat somewhere here. There are a couple of restaurants that I recommended. Okay, let's run. Running on the beach. Good morning! Second day in Kovalam beach. It is quite cloudy today. Yesterday the sun was very intense. We spent the day in the pool. Today, this morning is quite cloudy. So we're going for a little hike, and apparently it will be less cloudy from 1 p.m. So then we'll go to the pool. So let's see. Nice. Good morning. Sunday morning, 6:30. So, going for a run again. So yesterday morning I explored Kovalam beach, and today then I'm gonna go on the other side, down there, which is Samundra beach, I think it's called. Here I can definitely not go further. It's a private property from the Taj luxury hotel and resort, so I cannot go. But it's very nice, no? Look at that sky. Very nice too. Running is a very good way to discover places. You should try. It's cool. Fly back to Bangalore this afternoon, 5:30, and the hotel is very kind. We can have the room until 4. I mean, we leave around 3 anyway to go to the airport, but very nice. India is cool. After the long weekend in Kovalam beach was great. We're about to fly back to Bangalore, and soon fell asleep as we are boarding. So we're about to take off. See you.